Snap! Magic! There's our memory capacitor all set up. Hey, this is Mike here from PinballHelp.com. I'm working on this, doing a memory capacitor, going to install it into a Gottlieb Jacks to Open game. So here I am, I've soldered these wires onto this memory capacitor. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a little heat shrink tubing, slide it over like that, slide this one over like that, find my cigarette lighter, and kind of seal that. Nice and tight. Oh! Hot! Okay. Try not to burn yourself when you're doing it. So, there we go. I'm just giving it a once over just to look to see that it's set up right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get these terminals like that. And I don't know whether I should I should probably look at the game before I commit to how I'm going to orient them, but let's see. Yeah, I say let's go over to the game and see how to space this and how long the wires should be and all of that. And I'm not taking the board out. I'm going to solder this thing right onto the board because I don't want to undo any of the connectors on the machine. The connectors on Gottlieb machines are so temperamental. So let's take a quick walk over. Just excuse the camera not pointing at anything. And set it up. Okay, here we are. So what we're looking at is right there. So let me slide over here. Take a look at what we're dealing with. Okay, so here's our memory capacitor. Plus is right there. Negative will be right there. So I'm thinking I can make this a little bit shorter and probably bend this one up a little bit. I guess I could do it like that. Mount it that way. And then this will go to here. And this will go to there. So I'll cut them pretty short and solder them on, and then I'll use a little glue gun to dab it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to bore you while I run around and grab all the things, but stay tuned for a moment and you'll see the next step.